Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix Bluetooth pairing problems on your BLACKSHARK Pad 7 Pro. So first, what you guys want to do is go over into the settings, and once you're in the settings, we want to go over into connected devices. We're going to go over and click see all. Here we have saved devices. We're going to click on the gear icon and forget them. Now again, forget device. Now there is no saved devices. We're going to go to connection preferences and Bluetooth. We want to make sure that our Bluetooth is enabled, because if it's disabled, the device name is not accessible. Now we can see it, and we're going to click on pair new device. Now here you need to understand how you pair your device. So these are the AirPods 3 Pros. There's no button on them, and basically this is the case for them. I just open them and double tap them, and now they are in the pairing mode. So soon they should appear here. There's a little bit of a delay between the headphones and the tablet. Now they're here, and we're gonna repair them again. As you guys can see, we're gonna click pair, and now I got the sound. I know that they're connected, so we're gonna leave the connection preferences, and here we have media devices. They are active and they are connected. If it did not work for you, then make sure that you also here, if you have your Wi-Fi, what you guys want to do is go over and scroll down to system, go to the system updates, and you want to make sure that you're on the latest version. It's very important because you want to make sure that there are no glitches regarding your Bluetooth pairing problems. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.